Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. First I made the ball with the aluminum foil to make the kettle. I am covering the aluminum foil with the polymer clay. It's Sculpey original. Instead of polymer clay, you can use air dry clay. It doesn't matter which clay you use for this craft. After making the ball, I pressed it so I'll have flat bottom for the base and flat top to place the lid on. Now I'm making the lid for the kettle. I like to use Sculpey original clay because it's very easy to condition. I have actually posted shorts on how to condition Sculpey original clay. If you want to check that out, I have given the link in the description below. By the way, which clay you guys prefer? Do you like air dry clay or polymer clay? Personally, I do like to use polymer clay. Using the aluminum foil with the polymer clay cuts down on amount of polymer clay needed, and also it cuts down on the baking time. Now the base for the kettle is done as well. Now I'm making the spout for the kettle. That's what it's missing. Making a spout used to be hard for me, but recently I came across a video on YouTube that taught me how to make the spout easy way. And now my kettle needs a handle. I made just a simple handle, but if you want to make a decorative one, you can. With the clay tool, I just drew the lines on the kettle just to keep it simple. Now that my kettle is ready, I'll start making the dish and then a cup. This silicone mold came in handy because it's round and also perfect size for the dish that I wanted to make. With the paint bottle, I made impression on both sides of the dish so it doesn't stay flat. To match the kettle, made the lines on the dish as well. To make the cup, I used wooden bead that I already had. To stop the clay from sticking to the things that we are using, sprinkle the cornstarch on the clay or on the things that you are using. Drew the lines on the cup as well. Because of the cornstarch, the cup came off of the rolling pin easily and also it maintained its shape. The cup also needs a handle. Now I will start decorating the kettle with silicone molds. If you don't have silicone molds, you still can make flowers with your hands. But that's a subject for another video. I used a part of silicone mold to make the leaf. This way I went all around the kettle, decorating it with the flowers and leaves. After the kettle and the cups were ready, I baked them in the oven at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour. After they were baked and cooled down, I painted them with the white paint. And then painted flowers and leaves with the pastel shades in acrylic paints. Added some gold paint as well for the kettle and the cup. I filled the cup with the glue. And then painted it brown to call it coffee or tea or hot chocolate, whatever you want. So now you know why I made the holes on the handles and the cup and the kettle, so I can put some rhinestones in them. And here's the final look. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.